In level 6, you're going to get introduced to template design and customization. Now this is a really key part, because template design and customization is what gives your site a certain look. You know how to tweak things to be the way that you want things to be. And in module 26, I'm going to show you and walk you through to getting started with template customization. Template customization is the process where you're able to move things around and design the site how you want it to be, how you want it to look. You know, you can relocate some things. And today that we have what's called a drag and drop builder, I'm going to show you how you can move videos around. You can add text, you can add a gallery, you can add a form, you can add links, you can add a variety of different things on your page exactly where you want them to be. You don't have to code anything, which is really great. You know, years ago when I started, I had to do some coding. If you wanted to put things in a certain position, you had to hardcore code it, because that was the only way for you to do that. But now with the drag and drop builders, I'm going to show you how you can just move things around just by dragging and dropping your mouse and configuring things how you want it to look, so that when the page is out there, it looks exactly the way that you envisioned it. In module 27, you're going to start working with frameworks. Now a framework, think of a framework as your blueprint. When you want to build a home, when you want to build something, you can't just start building a house. You need to understand where the windows are supposed to be, the doors, the bathroom, the floors, the garage, and different parts of the house. Well, think of a template framework similar to that. A framework is something that was already designed, and all you have to do is just to build upon it. So all the websites that you're creating, they're created with a framework, and there's so many different frameworks out there that I'm going to show you and walk you through each framework. I've used all the frameworks that are out there, the major frameworks for Joomla, and I believe there's, you know, quite a few out there, maybe 20 or so major ones. And I'm going to show you how to use those frameworks to build a site, to customize your site, and to understand how to make changes with that particular framework. All frameworks, they're not the same, because each developer creates something and adds a feature in that framework that they like. So each framework have a lot of perks and great features that you can utilize. So if you start creating a website with one framework and you want to switch over to another framework, that's very easy to do. You don't always have to start over with the whole site. I'm going to show you how you can switch frameworks at any time. In module 28, I'm going to show you how to create custom templates. You know, one of the benefits of knowing how to create websites that I've seen is that I can create any type of website that I desire. You know, so if I'm working a project for myself and I want to build something, I can be able to customize it, I can design, I can use the framework of my choice, or sometimes I use multiple frameworks on the same site. So I'm going to show you how to build custom websites. There's several benefits of building a custom template, because you can put whatever you want on that template, you can organize it however you want it to be, and you can give it the look and feel that you desire. And you don't have to be a coder in order for you to do this. And I'm going to show you how to create a custom template design for yourself or for your clients. In module 29, I'm going to give you several tips for creating your own website. When I first started, there are times when I was so excited to get started in the project that I ignored and I overlooked some of these things. And then later on, it was very painful because I had to come back and redo things that, had I known those tips or followed those tips, it would have saved me so much time. So I'm going to show you several tips and how you can effectively use them on your sites or your clients' websites. Now, these are things that I've learned from the past years of creating websites. And had I known this before, it would have saved me from so much headache. It would have saved me from losing so much time. There are really important steps that you need to take before creating a website.